Hey, I am so glad to see you here. You are going to get an email in just a minute with a link to download your complete website maintenance checklist. It's got everything you need to know for what you need to do weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually to make sure your site or your clients' websites stay up to date and stay running smoothly and securely. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My email is here. Hold on, let me find it. There's my email right there. You can send me an email, stephanie@focuswp.co. I'm Stephanie Hudson, one of the owners of Focus WP. And as you probably know, if you're already here, we actually do white label WordPress maintenance for lots of clients. So if this is something that you're interested in now, or even maybe down the road, we've got a little bit more information down below this video so you can check out some of our services and see if it might be a fit. But in the meantime, this checklist will give you everything you need to keep your sites in tip-top shape. There's even a printable list on the last page of the PDF so that you can put it up and keep it in front of mind to mark off each step as you go. All right, good luck. Let me know how things work out.